About 7 months ago now, I had a spinal fusion, cervical spinal fusion. My scar is right under here, and I'm testing out this for the first time today. I have another device that I've been using consistently for months because it helps with my sore neck, and this has more coverage. This has massage. These are going to be my first impressions, tell you how it feels, what it comes with, everything you got to know. All right, so here's what you're getting. Nice little box. Quick start guide directly on top. Has infrared and red light. Definitely only go for devices that have both. And then love that it's short and sweet and tells you everything you need to know. Device comes sealed up. Comes with 104 tri-tip LEDs. So the 850 nanometers are going to hit pretty hard. And then front and center, you got a little screen. Sticker on top tells you what each button does. I love that. It just makes devices so easy to learn. I love it. And then just a nice big adjustable Velcro. Comes with a charging cable. It's a Type-C. It actually comes with a cube. And then a full instruction manual if you want to see all the specifications. So just got done opening the box. Diodes all over this thing. Get a great first impression. The quality of this brand has been really good twice now. Love, love, love the quick start guide. I mean, it's everything you need to get started with it. There's a little power button. Okay, it's right at the top because it's flipped based on where I was just looking at it. Right away, the one thing I'm kind of noticing is that, like, you have to learn where the controls are because otherwise you're looking down at this thing. You could always, like, take off the Velcro here and then look at it, all the different options. But so self-explanatory. You get your different power levels. 1. Oh, it counts down. Okay, so 5 is pulse. 4, also pulse. 3 is high. Oh, it tells you 2 mid, 1 low. Oh, and then off. Okay, so you can turn the red light off and just run the vibration. So we've got strong defaults too. Tells you that's got 10 minutes left. We have soothing, which is level 2. And then we have gentle, which is level 1. Definitely much softer. And then 0 for off. So you can turn those off or on. I'm going to leave it on strong, and I'm going to leave it on the pulse mode. I love the pulse mode because it's supposed to be good for like nerve type support repair. Got to be careful what I say. And then 30, 20, 10-minute timer. Easy. It defaults to 10, yeah. Defaults to 10, but you got 30, 20-minute timer. Very easy to wear. You know, if you want the most benefits out of red light anyways, you got to put these under your shirt. So should have thought about that. And that's something I really like about the Life Pro one that I use. Just smaller. This one's got more coverage. So the massaging, while it's on the highest right now, feels pretty good. It's not like a deep penetration massage or anything like that, but definitely for relaxation, I could see how after a 10, 20-minute session, that would feel great. So this is what it's like with a t-shirt on because I think that you need to get all the benefits out of the red light therapy. You really need skin contact. You can do it with like really light wear, but for the best penetration, shirt on, off, fits good. I can still get to the controls. Technically, I can just hit them right here. Timer's counting down, so now it says 9 minutes. And if I wanted to make any adjustments, I could do that. But that's it. That's the first impressions. All right, first session finished. I had to do a follow-up because the sensation after I took it off was great. It's just the buzzing was really nice. Like my body feels calmed down. And I just did a workout earlier, so my neck was definitely feeling it. And I really needed some relief, so I was excited to open this up today anyways. But you can definitely feel the result of just that heat sitting on and that vibration sitting on for 20 minutes. And it feels good, like bliss. My neck is relaxed right now. Just had to add that.